Hi guys, I'm gonna be giving you the overview from my presentation related to the take-home assignment and also my strategy of the design implementation, right? My approach was to have a hybrid strategy, to have some devices at home and connecting those devices at the AWS API to send that metric um, using a very lightweight Python client uh, and collects the GPU, CPU, and disk and everything related, and send it straight for the AWS. Publish that using the protocol MQTT and over the TLS and using also certificates. Each device have their own certificate. So at AWS, I provide also data from my backend, and the backend provide data for using the WebSocket for the front end, and also send alerts for the Slack, right? Everything related to the production or future evolution, that's my suggestion for the next step for escalation for that solution. In here, you're gonna be able to see more and more information related to that. We're gonna be quick on these terms. The documentation will be here anyway. So, and here, that's the README for the project, how to install the project and everything related to the project, right? The MVP and everything. Now I'm gonna show you in live, it's working, right? I'm gonna be running the agent itself. As you can see, the agent is already connected to the AWS. And here, that's a debug message from the agent uh, to make sure the agent's not doing concurrency of resources to your own machine, right? You will not affect your machine perspective of consume memory or resources or whatever. Here you're gonna be having the backend running, right? The backends are already connected as well on the AWS, and also subscribing data from my device. That uh, that data is coming from Amazon, right? I'm gonna be show you at the Amazon perspective, right? As you can see, device 10. I'm getting two devices because I have one VPS at the internet doing the same, and that device 10, it's a device from the internet. The device 1, that's computer what we do now, right? And here, that's a front end. We will not be running now, but I'm gonna be doing the stress test just to show you who is gonna be okay. Sends my Slack already received a message because my CPU is doing 100. And at Amazon, you can see the same. The device 1 doing 100. Now I'm gonna be open the Slack. As you can see, I got the metric summary, but also the CPU alerts because it was designed to receive. And until the CPU is not less than 90%, it will be doing the alert, right? And here you can see the how much the agent is consuming. Uh, and at the agent itself, now we're gonna be running the front end, right? The front end I did very, it's not nothing fancy. It's very simple front end using React and Vite, right? Here, as the same, you can see the device, the VPS at the internet, and the device what we're stressing right now. Using that command, it's gonna be stressing for 2 minutes, right? And that's it, basically, right? You have we have a front end, we have a back end to process uh, that part, like the notifications, and also provided the WebSocket for the front end. But the agent, it's collecting the whole data and send to the Amazon, right? The future for that, it's do not have any backend or any front end, just have the integration to the rules for AWS, and using something like Grafana or QuickSign or something more advanced for the perspective of front end, and they also have a backend. Do not have a backend anymore, using some notification servers, could be SNS, Lambda, or whatever, to implement that notification for Slack, right? And here I have my opinion um, related to the how we're gonna doing the escalate for the more than hundreds of devices, for example. I think the green grass, that's a better approach for that, especially because you have a support of the agent life cycle and OTA updates, what do not request SSH access, and that's it. I'm gonna be sharing that video and the the repository with you. Okay, thank you.